Thank you guys for your patience and being here this slightly drafty afternoon. First of all, I'd like to thank Britannia for the wonderful sponsorship, and partnering with a food brand like yours is a huge honor for us. So thank you so much. Sonakshi is family. I remember the first time I saw Sonakshi, my first waking impression, of course, when I have been to her house, was this little toddler. Then a very...
Really? You shouldn't say that. You don't look that old, Jitesh. You should not say
I was
it,
a
only
toddler
mention.
myself. We were playing in the park together. So that was Sonakshi. And then I remember the year, I think it was Dil To Pagal Hai, when Sonakshi and her father went up on stage and gave the award for Best Actor to Shah Rukh. And so that really is one of my most startling and vivid memories of Sonakshi. Then, of course, Sonakshi went on to join the movies, and as they say, the rest is her story. So thank you, Sonakshi, for being here, and it's just so huge. It's a huge
My
honor.
pleasure, Jitesh. Thank you so much. Hi, guys. Happy New Year, everybody. And thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I mean, I think my first experience of being on stage was with Filmfare, when I had gone with my dad, held his hand and waddled up on stage to present an award to, was it Shah Rukh or was it Karan? I think it was Karan for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I remember that also. Yeah, so that was my first experience of being on stage, and a few years later, little did I know that I would be going up on the Filmfare stage and winning my debut award for Dabangg. So we have a very, very long association. Filmfare has always been very supportive towards me, and you know, we've shared a great journey so far. It's been 5 years now. I don't know where time has flown. It really does not feel like that. All of you have been with me on this entire journey, so I'd like to thank you all as well. But yeah, it's been fantastic, and I'm really happy to be here today with Filmfare and Britannia.
हाय सोनाक्षी क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि ओवर द इयर्स बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन होने लगे हैं और अवार्ड फंक्शन ज़्यादातर टीवी इवेंट बन के रह गए हैं, उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी को लेकर बहुत सारे सवाल उठने लगे हैं, कई एक्टर्स भी कहने लगे हैं अब तो कि नहीं, हमें अवार्ड फंक्शन में नहीं जाना। इस बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं? और दूसरा सवाल कि हमने सुना है कि आपके पापा पे एक बायोपिक बन रही है, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
बायोपिक नहीं बन रही, वो एक अपनी बायोग्राफी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, बुक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, जिनकी उनकी पूरी लाइफ की स्टोरी है। सो वेरी एक्साइटेड, वो 6 जनवरी को रिलीज़ होगी। आपके पहले सवाल का आंसर मैं अपने लिए बात कर सकती हूँ। मी पर्सनली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मुझे बहुत सारे शोज मिल गए परफॉर्म करने के लिए, तो द मोर द मेरियर फॉर मी।
So yeah, what is your take on it?
I think that's a good balance to strike. I think that is something that unknowingly I've achieved, and if you know, people accept me and appreciate me in both kinds of cinema and both kinds of film, I think that's a very, very good sign for me as an actor. So I'll continue to work hard and try and please both the art and the mart section, as you said.
You are also into music now. So yeah, Aaj Mood Discolic Hai was amazing.
Thank
so
you.
do we see any other music videos coming up in 2016?
I want to, yeah. I didn't want this to be a one-off thing. It's something that I'm really passionate about. It's something that I really love to do. So I don't want it to be, the response has been fantastic for my first song. So that kind of gives me the confidence to go ahead and do more in that space. So definitely, I would love to do more songs, sing more songs, make the kind of music videos that I want to feature in, and stuff that I don't regularly get to do, you know. So even if you see the video, it's not something that I've done in any of my movies. So it's basically a passion project for me, something that I will do because I love to do it. Yeah.